Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra that needs our help and it needs a new display. David is here with us to do the work. Right, let's get right into it. So the problem with this Galaxy S22 Ultra is it's flickering all over the place. The display is not really usable in any scenario. And the only solution for this one is to get a new display. And David is gonna do exactly that. We're gonna remove the back cover on this S22 Ultra, and it looks so easy to remove the back cover, which tells us that it has been opened before. Factory adhesives from Samsung is quite strong, and this one is not that. It's quite weak, which is good for when you're disassembling the smartphone. But we are gonna put fresh adhesive on that one when we assemble the whole thing. We're gonna remove the screws that we can see here. Those are the first things that we need to remove. Get these parts uncovered. Gonna remove this wireless charging module, detach the batteries, displays, all the connectors over the battery so that we can remove the main components. The main components then right up top is the main board, then the battery, and then the daughter board at the bottom. David has now removed the daughter board responsible for the charging and antenna. You have here the main board with the cameras. It's quite a small board, but very dense with all the SoC components. And then the next tricky thing is the battery, but David has also made that look easy. So this is our replacement display. This is a brand new one. We just removed some plastic covers, and then we transferred some components from the old display, and especially the main components that we just removed: the main board, battery, and daughter board. Main board goes in first, and then we're gonna reconnect as we go along so we don't miss any parts. The battery goes in, daughter board goes in, and look how Samsung designed this smartphone. It's quite complicated when you don't know what you're doing, but when you are a pro technician like David, it's just a quick process to fix. If you're gonna take the DIY route and buy your own display, it may take you a bit more time, but it's easy, very easy. If you have a guide from iFixit or here, you can also use this as a guide. You can certainly complete the servicing yourself. But all the same, you need to have the proper tools, the proper background. I think you should have repair experience with simpler models of Samsung devices. This is quite advanced. This is the S22 Ultra, a relatively older device, but still very advanced. We're gonna put back all the screws that we have removed right from the start of this repair, and then we're not gonna cover it up first. We're gonna try to turn this on for the first time, and there you go. It's booting up. It's looking good at the outside. Once you replace the screen on this S22 Ultra, you might as well just replace the housing just to make it look cleaner up front, and it's quite an easier job. If you're gonna try to remove just the display, you're gonna have to put more effort into the removal process, just like what we did with the back cover. This one is showing us the home screen. All looking good. It's due for an update. If you broke your smartphone and you can't use it for months, it's either your battery is dead or you need more updates for the apps that you've left behind. David is quite nonchalant. So easy for David. He's been fixing Samsung devices for many years now, so this is one is just peanuts. If you need reliable repair technician for your Samsung Galaxy high-end flagship devices, go to Sydney CBD Repair Centre. David here will certainly have the parts for your Samsung devices. He will also do Asus smartphones, iPhones, and smartwatches. We're gonna cover this up and perform all the necessary tests. And look at that, you can't pass it, it's brand new. To be honest, if you don't open this bad boy up, it looks so clean on the sides and up the front. We're gonna wipe this off, the grime, excess glue, wipe that, and I think we're gonna put a protective film. The tempered glass not really gonna work on this form factor. You have a sloping edge. I forgot what the term is. You have this, it's not flat like an iPhone, so you need some flexible material as a cover. So this plastic one is thick enough for protection, but flexible enough to hug all the exposed glass on display. But I highly suggest that you buy phone case for this one, just to make sure that it doesn't break anytime soon. Spigen, what else? There's a lot of options up there. Search on Amazon, eBay, and you will have yourself a protected S22 Ultra. And there you go. Message us on Facebook and Instagram. Follow us on YouTube. We release new videos every day. Like and subscribe, guys. If you have any questions, leave them down below. If you hate this video, tell us why. And thanks for joining us. I hope you learned something from this video. We'll see you again next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.